Hey guys, what's going on? In today's video, I'll be showing you how to create a bottom icon based navigator bar using HTML and CSS. So you can see here in my screen that I have created a beautiful nav bar with an icon, and it's also a mobile responsive. So I have already created .html and CSS file. So now just press HTML in the HTML section. It will automatically show HTML structure. Now let's create a div and let's put class equal to navbar, and then to create a menu or to create a navbar, okay. After this, creating a then we need to add about, service, portfolio, team, contact, and source. After this, we need to link styles CSS. So now let's put link into HTML section. After adding CSS, let's style in CSS. And the margin 0, padding 0. Now it's time to style the navbar. So let's style now. 100%, background color aqua, overflow auto. Now let's save this and let's open in the browser. It looks good. So now we need to add icon in the about, service, portfolio, team, contact, and the source. To add the icon, you need to go to the Chrome and just type font awesome W3 school. Just go to the Google and just go to the website, and just there you can see link. So just copy the link and paste in HTML section. So after this, let's put the icon. So I have already save and source. I have already save on my notepad note. So I'll just paste in the home, about, service, portfolio, team, and contact, and this last one, source. So let's just paste it. If you don't get, just if you have any mistake or not working, just let me know in the comment. I will try to give you solution as soon as possible. So after this, now we need to put hover effect on this icon or menu bar, navbar, background color white and the color red. Now let's just save and see in the browser. Okay, it looks cool. Okay, to make it responsive, we need to add in style CSS media screen. Now let's just put media screen max with 500 pixel. Dot navbar red. Float none. Display block. Text align center. Now let's just save this and let's refresh the browser once again. Now you can see, just refresh and
Just wanna hold it, don't wanna swim it over. It feels like you got